So I made another video before, but I found out the videos were too long. It doesn't take 8 minutes to say what I'm saying. Running on into 9 minutes. What was I thinking about? That was ridiculous. So what happened is that now it's summer. We're in July. We just gone through 4th of July. Today is July 6th. Is it 6th? Monday, July 6th. And I want to make a video showing you how to resolve the issue when your AC is blowing out hot air, rather than you go and you let somebody telling you that you need to change your compressor. Your compressor is bad, which is very highly unlikely. And it's a very detailed and expensive job. I repeat the last part of what I said. It's expensive. I want to show you how to resolve this issue. I'm going to be making another video showing you that, and I'm going to be charging you for the access to that video. I'm going to put it on my website, so you can click on the link in this video and go over to my website and you'll see what the charge is. I haven't yet decided whether it's going to be $20, $30, but whatever it is that you're going to pay to the access of this video is going to be far worth it, better than the alternative. Knowledge is power. If you don't know things, you just don't know things, and you're not able to solve problems. A lot of people tell you things because they assume that it will work, and that they assume that they are right. Of course, if you change your AC compressor, your AC is gonna start working. Yeah, you just install a brand new AC compressor, you charge it up, you did all of that. You go through the whole process, so the AC is gonna start working. But 99% of the time, you don't need to do that. I'm gonna show you why your AC is not blowing out cold air. 99% of the AC compressor that was taken out of a vehicle, you can install them in another vehicle and it works, because there was nothing wrong with the computer. But the person who changed the computer, they are not going to tell you that. This is not how this business works. And I know you want all your mechanic to be honest. You know, they are not your family. They're out there making money. And people are going to charge you. They're going to charge you for what they know, and they're going to charge you for what they don't know. And then when you pay out your money and you get no return on your output, then who do you blame? You know, I'm gonna be charging you for what I know, because when in the video that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna break down and I'm gonna let you know, give you an idea of how an AC works, the different components that it needs, and why your AC system is not getting air. You're gonna be able to connect the dots, you know, and who knows, you might be able to help somebody else, you know, solve their problem. This is what it's all about. We gain knowledge so we can share it with each other. But I'm charging for mine. That's the bottom line. So if you're interested, you can click on the link, come over there, and you'll see what the access fee is. It's probably ain't gonna be more than, say, $20-$30. It's just something to you know, keep the thing going. You know, but come and get your thing sorted out. It's only gonna take you 10 minutes once you get the information, and your AC will be working again just perfectly fine. I guarantee you that. So thanks a lot. Look for a link in this video, and come over to where I'll make the other video and show you what to do to get your AC working again. Right now I'm talking too much. Let's go. Look for a link in the video. Look for a link there.